Dark clouds, bright hope. Sometimes life's skies darken with uncertainty, leaving us feeling lost. Yet even the densest storm yields subtle rays of light. In every challenge, there lies a quiet invitation for renewal. Breathe deeply and let your inner spark ignite. As shadows pass, resilience emerges, guiding you through turmoil toward personal growth. Remember, every trial reveals the promise of tomorrow. Embrace the struggle. Each moment of darkness is but a prelude to your brilliance. With each heartbeat, feel the transformation, a journey from despair to inspiration. Brisa Suave offers a daily reminder that beyond the storm, light awaits. Step forward, shine light, and reclaim your inner radiance. Allow every setback to spark courage, fortifying your spirit as you journey onward. Embrace hope, for every storm whispers the promise of renewal now.